Hello, this is Daisy. Today I would like introduce the application of PET acoustic panel. PET acoustic panel represent a cutting-edge and eco-friendly solution for modern office and decoration. These panels are designed to absorb sound and reduce noise levels. And also, the PET acoustic panel come in a variety of colors, shapes, and designs, allowing for customization to different designs. They can be installed on walls, ceilings. If you are interested about our PET acoustic panel, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye.